Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Optical activity requires a chiral molecule. No plane of symmetry, no center of symmetry, no improper rotation axis. Achiral molecules cannot rotate plane polarized light and possess symmetry elements such as a plane or center of symmetry. Moving on to the next step. Admantane is a highly symmetric cage molecule. It belongs to the TD point group and has multiple planes of symmetry and a center of symmetry equivalent. Actually, TD has S4 axis. Admantane is achiral and optically inactive. It possesses planes of symmetry. Therefore, A matches Q cannot rotate plane polarized light and R plane of symmetry. Moving on to the next step. The cyclopropane shown has 3 different substituents around the ring Cl, wedge C1, Br, wedge C2, Cl-C3. This is 1-bromo, 1,2 dichlorocyclopropane arranged such that all 3 ring carbons bear different spatial arrangements making the molecule chiral, no plane or center of symmetry. This is a chiral molecule that exists as a specific enantiomer as drawn. Therefore, B matches P, rotates plane polarized light. And for the final step, the biphenyl derivative has Br at one ortho position and plus Asme3 at the other ring's ortho position. This is an axially chiral, atropisomeric biphenyl. With different substituents on each ring, Br on one, Asme3 plus on the other, and restricted rotation, the molecule is chiral, no plane or center of symmetry. As drawn, it is one enantiomer and rotates plane polarized light. Therefore, C matches P, rotates plane polarized light. The allene is CH3 to C is equal to C is equal to C, ICl. For allenes to be chiral, the 2 ends must each bear 2 different substituents. Left end to CH3 groups, same substituents. This makes the left carbon not a chiral alanic terminus, it has 2 identical groups. Therefore, this allene is achiral. Since the left carbon has 2 identical methyl groups, there is a plane of symmetry, the plane containing CH3, C is equal to C is equal to C, and bisecting the right end. The molecule cannot rotate plane polarized light and has a plane of symmetry. Therefore, D matches Q, cannot rotate plane polarized light and R plane of symmetry. A achiral, symmetric cage, Q, cannot rotate, R plane of symmetry AQ, R B chiral cyclopropane as drawn, P rotates plane polarized light BP, C axially chiral biphenyl atropisomer, P rotates plane polarized light CP, D allene with 2 identical groups on one end achiral, Q cannot rotate, R plane of symmetry DQ, R. Therefore, the correct answer is AQ, R BP, CP, DQ, R. The correct answer is shown on screen.